Yeah, so this is Murali. Today we are going to discuss about MS.NET. So it's a basic discussion to understand what exactly Microsoft Network Enabled Technologies. See, the full form of MS.NET is Microsoft Network Enabled Technologies, and now we are trying to concentrate. So what exactly the use of MS.NET? You just try to concentrate before stepping into any technology, any language. It is better knowing the importance of that particular language. The reason today we are concentrating the use of MS.NET. See, MS.NET is a technology, right? MS.NET is a technology where this technology is used to develop different type of applications like console applications, Windows or desktop based applications. You can also develop a web application. You can also develop a distributed application. It allows even to develop certain types of applications like mobile, etc. What I mean to say that MS in the sense Microsoft, it is a corporation name, and dot is simply a separator, NET in the sense network enabled technologies. Ultimately it's a technology where this technology is used to develop applications from the basic console applications. Console application in the sense it's a basic command prompt application to enterprise class applications such as Windows Web Distributed, etc. Windows application or desktop application, it means these applications are limited to the systems. Web application is not limited, it is for entire universe. Using internet you can access any type of web application. Distributed application in the sense, so one application can send information to another application. I mean, for example, you have a .NET based application. If it wants, it can communicate to Java based application. If it wants, it can send data, it can receive data also. In order to develop the type of distributed applications, .NET uses certain concepts like web services, WCF services, etc. We will discuss the procedure to create all such services in our next sessions. Better you just try to concentrate. Distributed application can send information to another application, and it can receive information from other application. As well as .NET can be used to develop mobile based applications also, but there are a lot of individual mobile operating systems came to like Android. So you know that there is Windows iPhone technology. There is a lot of demand for those mobile individual operating systems, and mostly we concentrate the type of individual OS to develop mobile based applications. Of course, .NET is capable to develop mobile applications also. My ultimate conclusion is simply, it is a technology. Microsoft .NET is a technology where this technology is used to develop applications from the basic command line to enterprise. Here you can also say that an enterprise class application is nothing but a business solution. What exactly the requirement of an application means? Application requirement is to manage various type of activities. We need solutions for our basic requirements. Then only we prefer to create an application, or we need an application. That's what the importance of an application. Is it right? Yes. So see, here to develop these types of applications, you should know what exactly the resources, I mean to say that the languages, the environment that .NET contains is one more important factor. The reason now we are concentrating what exactly the language is in .NET, and what exactly the environment it is, and what is the use of learning C#, what is the use of learning VB.NET, what exactly ASP.NET is a question. Here you just try to concentrate. C#.NET is a language. VB.NET is also called a language. You know that, I think. You know basic C, C++, they are called languages. Each and every language is to develop a particular type of application. Similarly, you concentrate either C#.NET, or you just try to go through VB.NET, whatever it is. So both these languages are used to develop basic command prompt applications. At the same time, you can also individually develop Windows applications using these two languages. But here you no need to learn these two languages. It's enough learning one language in .NET. You learn either C# or VB.NET. That's enough to understand .NET technology. Knowing both of these languages definitely it's an added advantage. And also there is one more. Here it is ASP, Active Server Pages.NET. VB in the sense it is Visual Basic .NET. The pronunciation is not C#. You just have to remember it is only C#. Active Server Pages.NET is called a technology. It is to develop remaining web-based applications. You can also distribute. You can also develop distributed applications. At the same time, you can develop mobile-based applications using ASP.NET. Then, what exactly the relation between these languages and technology, and which is playing vital role means the language is of course playing vital role, but here the forehead of .NET is ASP.NET, which is simply working with these two languages, either of these languages. ASP.NET is here not individual. ASP.NET works with C#.NET, or it may work with VB.NET also. See, ASP.NET is a web environment where this environment is to develop web-based applications, and web application also needs logical functionality. In order to implement server-side code, or you can say that logical functionality in the application, there should be a language. That's what the reason we here concentrate C# or VB.NET, and these languages are playing vital role in ASP.NET environment. You just try to concentrate. ASP.NET is a technology. It's an environment which is mixture of so many markup languages. I mean, so many markup languages like HTML, XML, etc. And also it supports some client-side scripting languages like JavaScript, jQuery. It supports server-side scripting languages in the form of C#.NET, VB.NET, etc. And see, mixture of all these resources are going to build a particular type of application here. We require all these things in order to develop a website. The reason ASP.NET is itself an environment, a technology where this technology uses these two languages which are playing really vital role in the context again to develop web application. That's what the importance of learning a language. Without knowing either of these languages, it's very difficult to understand ASP.NET. Not only these languages, .NET also supports some other languages like VC++, J#, F#, etc. But these languages are given a lot of features and lot of flexibilities, lot of facilities. With the help of all these resources, it's very easy to use these languages in the environment. We have a lot of availabilities, facilities, abilities in these languages to use these languages and to give priority to these languages comparing with the rest of the languages. .NET is not limited to a particular language here. It is language independent. It supports multiple languages, of course. Okay. See, these are the core resources in .NET. Two are called languages. You learn either C# or VB.NET. You just try to learn ASP.NET. ASP.NET is meant for web-based application development, and even to develop web applications there is a requirement to learn a language at least. Other is just try to go for VB.NET or C#.NET, whatever it is. It's important to know a language before stepping into ASP.NET. Why? Because ASP.NET is not individual, it is in association with a language. That's what the foremost factor recommends you to learn ASP.NET, right? See, we will have to discuss some more features which are relating to .NET, and we will discuss them in my next videos. Thank you.